I took a little trip to Philly. I'm going to a vegan bakery called Crust. They got all kinds of shit. I saw that they have Pop-Tarts, which I haven't had in a long time. I was gonna walk there, but it seemed kind of far. Just got dropped off in the middle of fucking nowhere. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I'm gonna walk to this bakery. Maybe they moved? So I figured it out. If you order an Uber from the train station, you have to put in Crust Vegan Bakery to get to the right place that you need to go to, but it ain't a big deal. They have king cake? That's crazy. All right, so I didn't really get as much as I wanted to. I kind of panicked. There was a little bit of a line as soon as I got in there. I wasn't sure if they wanted me filming in there, so I just didn't want to be too, I don't know, didn't want to be taking up their time. This place got something special for a Louisiana boy. They got motherfucking king cake. I haven't had king cake since probably 2016, maybe. It's been a long time. They had a tiramisu, tiare, whatever the fuck it is, tiramisu filled one, but I just went with a reggie deggy cream cheese. Yo, look at that. And it's brick out here. It's like a fucking, wait, it's like a little king cake donut. Yo, oh, oh, what the fuck? What? I can't explain how delicious this is. It tastes like regular king cake. Fat Tuesday, all of that, Mardi Gras, depending on how Cajun you are. I looked up best vegan places in Philly. This was on the list. Look at this. It's a real Pop-Tart. This is like some exotic shit. These bang. Look at that. It's lemon lavender. This place is amazing. So this place is called Crust Vegan Bakery. We're in Philly. Bangs. Delicious. I got the lemon lavender Pop-Tart. It was beautiful. And I got the king cake, which blew my mind. It brought me back to Louisiana. That's all for me. Thought I might go grab another little... Nah, I'm not. I got a lot of shit to do today. But this trip is going pretty well so far.